Foldable Samsung fans, be prepared for an exciting week filled with rumors and leaks. After a very small upgrade with the Fold 6 and Flip 6, the major question is, are things actually looking exciting this time around? First, we received our best look yet at the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and then the Z Flip 7 followed suit. According to these sources, if you were looking for a drastic revamp, 2025 could be a disappointing year. There are at least a few notable enhancements, particularly for one device, even if Samsung seems to be sticking with its tried-and-true playbook. It's a separate question if Samsung's next foldables will be sufficient to maintain Samsung's leadership position in the foldable market. If you look closely, you can see that the Fold 7 isn't a huge improvement over the Fold 6, but there are actually several exciting upgrades beneath the hood, the most noticeable of which being the display size upgrade. According to reports, Samsung is planning to increase the inside screen to 8.2 inches, making it the biggest book-style foldable on the market. This would surpass even the N5, which has an 8.1-inch display. In addition to having a bigger display, Samsung is reportedly making the Fold 7 thinner than ever before, measuring just 4.5mm when unfolded as opposed to 5.6mm on the Fold 6, which is a substantial leap considering the Fold lineup has remained at 7.6-inch since the Fold 2. Even while it's still not as good as some of the slimmest rivals, that's a considerable difference. The crease, or rather the absence of one, is another significant change that could make a significant difference. Samsung Display recently unveiled its new creaseless foldable panel at MZ 2025, and if the company decides to use it in the Fold 7, it could be a significant step forward. For years, Samsung's foldables have lagged behind Chinese competitors when it comes to crease visibility, but this new panel could finally put them on an equal footing. There is a significant difference, according to reports, when compared side by side with a Z Fold 6. It is still unclear if Samsung will actually include it into the finished product, but if they do, it would be a significant victory for the Fold 7. Additionally, the camera upgrade is a much-needed update. A 200-megapixel main camera would be a significant improvement over the aging 50-megapixel primary sensor that has been in use since the Fold 4. If confirmed, this would offer the Fold 7 a significant boost in the photography department. This upgrade may help Samsung catch up to other flagship handsets, even if the Fold series has never been recognized for having the finest cameras. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.